I know a lot of schools you walk in and everything has that kind of very high school feel, but when you walk into a facility at Tallulah Falls, it's a very formal, very professional feeling. You get those facilities that are very well constructed and they have all of these features that you never would expect in a typical high school.
If someone were to step on this campus, they would see the past in regards to some of the old buildings we have, and they will also, within 200 yards, step into a state-of-the-art facility like our upper classroom building with our multiple computer labs.
We've got multiple layers of technology that helps keep the students engaged.
As a student athlete, Tallulah Falls is a very great place to be. I have to go on a lot of long runs. I mean, just their surrounding area, it's a really great place to go run.
We have the brand new Natatorium. It's very cool to have that on campus now because we can go and have practices after school on campus.
Since I'm an athlete, if there's any weather, anything like that, we always go to the weight room, and it was actually renovated a few years ago. So it's always clean, everything's always wiped down, and everything's in mint condition, so it's pretty awesome to use.
That's one thing that I love about Tallulah is that the students always work hard to keep everything clean. You're not going to walk in and say, oh, there's dirt all over the floors.
Students take pride in their campus. They recognize this as their home away from home, so therefore they want to take care of it.
Well, I mean, I've had the opportunity to see a lot of campuses just going there for sporting events and stuff, and Tallulah Falls is one of the nicest by far.